You searched for how to buy shares of First Community Corp /SC. First Community Corp SC is a regional community bank that provides commercial and consumer banking services and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FCCO. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy FCCO, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker FCCO to find the listing. Select the result that matches First Community Corp /SC to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Verify the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker FCCO before proceeding. Click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your FCCO position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is processed. For the eToro link and further resources, check the description below.